Okay, this video I'm going to show you about the check control message for on a BMW with this style key. When you turn on the car and you key's empty, and it also will give you a check control message for the same thing, replace remote. So what you do, turn the car off. There's a little button on the side. You push that and you pull the blade out. And then once you get the blade out, see if we can do this with one hand. Pull this cover off, and then you can use the cover to actually pry out the key. Let's see. But that mean the battery just pops out, and it's a 2332 battery. You can almost get these batteries anywhere. I think Costco even sells them in big packs. Just put the new battery in. Like that. Put this side in first, the cover. And then just start the car up. Car will see the new battery. Everything's good.